up, y'all? It's your girl Tamia May, and this is where we build, create, and turn our goals into our reality. I don't know. No perfection, just progress. Did I eat? Oh my god! No! We are so bad. That's my office right there. We're in front of the vanity right now. Stream is set up in the back. And I think we're ready to get started. Me personally, I don't think we came into 2026 to play games. Y'all really caught me on a wake up. Your girl is fried. As in like my brain be taking an extra consecutive second to process things. This video is like more like a reset with me before we get into this month's project. We have a project this month and I have the goods. Yeah, no, so I'll be getting out of here. Y'all know I'll be excited. But somebody wants to steal the spotlight. I got this from Shein. And baby, I charged it up for like 15 minutes. I didn't even know it worked without the... Yeah, right. W-ad. I need to go to a nail tech, so that's where we're going. Mind y'all, I just told y'all we have to wake up right now, so I still have to do everything that I need to do. And then we'll be back because it's a lot going on. I look like I got a runny nose, and mind y'all, I go to sleep with vapor rub just to feel fresh and get my nostrils, you know, some relaxation time. I'll be back. Child, I'll be back. We're not even gonna talk about that. I'll be back. Just give me. So this just turned into a get ready with me. Also, let's get ready mentally, honestly. So it's not a glam video. It's a reset. It's a reset. I've never really been the makeup type of girly, but I do know that being polished of some sort is nice when you're going outside. At least you want to be presentable. Elf on a primer though. Elf on a primer though. I'm new to this, by the way. Like I don't ever do makeup. I've been wanting to try new things too, so it's like not only do I want to be polished, I want to learn how to do my makeup. Like, could you imagine not spending $100 on a face that you don't even know is about to make you look like Michael Jackson? I like to use this way to applicate so it's not like dispersing germs of any sort. Next cosmetic. My brows are normally already like very full, so I don't really need to do too much because I really can't stand a blocky brow. I can't stand a blocky brow, sister. Yeah, Shawty, like, I don't know. We gonna get to it. That's why I feel like it's all about just like starting. Which is why at the beginning of this video, we didn't even know we were gonna be doing a get ready with me. Everything happens for a reason, which is why we're back and we're better, because we did not start this page 6 years ago, 10 years ago, let's be honest, for no reason. So let's try to at least turn her up. And now that we got like time on our hands, let's just turn it up to the max, you know? NYX brow pencil. Black. But yeah, I don't know. I'm excited though. I thought I wasn't recording. Doing all the work but not recording the process. It might be time for you to pick up that camera the whole time. You don't even know. But when I speak to myself too. So it's just like, girl, take your own advice. It's good to be back though. That's what I will say. Like, it feels good to be in front of the cam again, just being myself, just elevating, showing up more polished. I don't know why I thought I had to wait until the New Year's to attempt to do it, but I feel like everything happened for a reason, so might as well just go with the flow. And if God wanna, you know, sit me down for X, Y, and Z amount of time, then so be it. I'll pop back outside again. You know? I don't want to be burnt out off of just trying to create random content for no reason, you know. I've never really been like a fan of like doing my brows, but like lately something about it, like I know y'all like this girl is yapping, but guess what though? It ain't that. How about that? Like, I ain't that. You want to talk about that, or you want to talk about that later? Like, my last video say 3 years ago. Ew. Who did I feel like I was to take a 3-year break? I don't know. I guess you could say I was going through something very toxic at the moment. But we are so back. Nah, baby, we're not even gonna talk about the lashes right now. Whenever we get to that, we're just gonna get to that. But right now, it is what it is. Let's melt. It's never too late for setting spray. Never too early, never too late. I'd be cool with this. Like, this right here is like, okay. Because ultimately, I have to put my glasses on anyway. So it's just like, I don't really gotta do too much. But like this, what are we doing? Like, it's too much. It's too much when it comes to this makeup shit. Like, it's too much. It's just too much. I look like a bat. But yeah, we're coming to the table looking a lot more polished, and that's what I'm feeling about. Like, I feel it. I like it too because you get to try your hand at like different looks, styles. D2. I just want some coverage on this side because it's getting a little dark, so I'm gonna just put a little bit on this. For 2026, let's just come to the table with a lot more structure. Let's build systems that help us be more productive, and let's just try new things, you know. Like, why not? Obviously, we've been trying to do the same stuff for like the past 2-3 years. That hasn't been working out. Let's try something different. Let's just go for it. And like, you know, you just never know what it'll bring. You know, some stuff do be like bad, like attention or bad PR or whatever like that, but like it just gets to the point where like if you're really locked in with God, that stuff can't even phase you for real, because stuff go out one ear in, one ear out the other, just because you know who you are and whose you are. You don't have to worry about what was sent to destroy you if you got that armor, if you ready to get in that field for real. So I guess that's why they say don't get in the field if you're not ready. It's not that much, which is good, because this is a chill makeup, no makeup look. Basically, a chill, no makeup look. And I just found out that these techs, these stylists, hairstylists, nail techs, they be wanting their clients to come in looking cute anyway. So it's just like, I'm so sorry to all my past stylists that I went to and I didn't come at my very best, because how was you ever supposed to get content and I was looking busted? I got a good feeling about this year, y'all. For the lip, honestly, I don't really do too much on the lip. I'm not gonna do liner today because I feel like it make my lips look a little dark, and I'll be using the NYX cosmetic pencil. I don't think it's like it got a good lineage, you know, how like a good I don't know how to explain it. Or hold. It don't stay there for long, I feel like. I think we've made it to the end of the video, and if you made it this far, I don't know, sister. I think we definitely lock in. And if you haven't clicked that like and subscribe button, just do it now. Because you can do it now. Like, you have the free will to do it now. This little part 1 of a 3-part series for like this reset rollout. Next video, I'll show y'all, because I am about to go to my nail appointment right now. I'll show y'all me come back from my nail appointment, and then we're gonna get into a nice little Shein haul. And then after that video, we're getting into this month's creative project. It's getting juicy. I will say it's getting juicy. It's like, without further ado, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I guess I'll see y'all in the next episode. I think we're in business. Okay, so it's not like a drastic change, and that's why I like a good little like soft glam, because it's not like a drastic change, but it looks like a filter. You know what I'm saying? Like, I look like I got a nice little filter on me. Skin clear, body tee, and yeah, fur is on. I'm in my element right now, if you did not know. This is the look. Headband from Shein. I don't know where. Oh, I got this from Shein too. I got the coat from Shein. Of course it got. Yes, I need to get back in the gym. We not body shaming. I'm getting back in the gym anyway, because that was always the plan. My little gray set on with my nice little gray. I feel like my nails matching too. But right now, who's to say what the next set is gonna be like? Bed's made up. If you haven't made your bed today, what are we doing? Favorite slippies. Some excellent slippage. And yeah, y'all know I like to take y'all with me, like just moving around and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go stand in front of like some. So you made it to the end of this video. First video of 2026, baby. We own it, and we're back. We are so back. So I'm excited to show y'all what we got in store and what we're working on. And let's do this. I'll see y'all in the next video, and y'all already know what we about to do. So I'll see y'all over there later.